Recently, I found that animal-based protein shake have become a thing for fitness enthusiasts everywhere. Fast-paced world we live in, like myself, between meetings, I sometimes literally have no time for meals. Convenience is a very important key. You literally can find these kind of protein shake everywhere. From Walmart to Whole Foods, you name it. Does protein shake actually solve the concern that we have? Weight loss? Tummy flattering? Muscle gaining? So do you drink protein shake? Do you really need it? Hear me out before continuing. Is protein powder the way for you to gain your muscle? Is it going to make you bulky? Actually, not necessarily. In short, it depends. A study by Phillips 2016 in the Journal of Sports and Science found that while protein powder can build up muscles, but there's some catch. Volume of the protein powder, time of the exercise after, and other food intake. It's complicated, but long story short, if you are going for those big build-up chests, good luck. So how much protein is enough and how much is your daily volume? According to the research I did, there's a few states. The older found states 80% of your body weight. Newer, 1.5, 1.6 of your body weight. Or recently, I heard 2 times it's the regular protein go-to volume. Like myself, I'm 64 kg, so 1.6, it's about 100 grams. That equals to 3 whole cooked chicken breasts. So it's different for everybody. Make sure to calculate your protein volume based on your weight. Some people think drinking too many protein shakes can make you gain fat instead of muscle. Is this true? This is because if you eat more protein than your body needs, it turns into extra energy. Usually protein shake has added sugar, which your body stores as fat. It's very important to balance how much protein you drink, cook with how much exercise you do, intake, outtake. In simple terms, think about protein as a building block for your muscle. If you use the right number of blocks, you can build a strong tower. If you have too many blocks and don't use them, they pile up and make a mess. It's all about finding the right balance for your body. Does protein shake actually make you have acne? If you're considering adding protein into your daily supplement, especially whey protein, here's something to keep in your mind. A study by Melnick and Associates in 2015 suggests that whey protein might contribute to acne. When protein can increase the release insulin, a hormone that helps manage blood sugar level, too much insulin can lead to more oil producing in skin, which can cause acne. But don't worry, not everyone uses whey protein will experience breakout. But of course, it's wise to be cautioned though. Women in particular, we have our period, we have our menstrual cycles already. In the mood and cycle, we're already very acne prone. Watch out the skin oil producing hormone. It's very key. It is good for you to monitor before decision. I use my app to track my skin condition in a daily basis, especially in the hormone up and down days. I think you can do the same thing. That will get you easier in terms of monitoring your skin condition. So what is the best approach? If you use whey protein, try not to exceed 1 scoop a day, especially if you notice any changes in your skin. Number 3, what condition shouldn't a person consume protein powder? If you have kidney diseases or weak kidneys, you need to be careful. A study by Kalanda Sade and colleagues in 2019 in Kidney International found that too much protein can put extra pressure on your kidneys that are already not working well. It's like trying to carry a very heavy backpack when your shoulders are sore. Older adults should also be cautioned with protein powder. As we age, our body might not be handling protein as efficiently, which lead to issues like dehydration or even kidney strain. Think of it like an old car and needs more gentle care to keep running smoothly. Plus, they build up sugar differently from younger adults. For those who are lactose intolerant, it's important to choose the right protein powder. There's isolate version, concentrate version, and option like lactose-free. Test it small amount each time to build up the tolerance as well. A study by Houghton et al. 2016 in Nutrient explained that lactose is a type of sugar found in milk and some people's tummy cannot digest it well. My father-in-law actually passed away ago, and there's a year of time that his dietitian nutrition had advised him to be on protein powder. He is 80 years old by then. In order to not lose weight to cope with the cancer treatment that he were supposed to go through, he has to drink protein drinks. He just can't eat too much food. Like he can't stuff himself. So protein shake becoming one of the lifesaver for him. I will pick like less sugary ones for him. So when he's not able to swallow all those meats to make up the protein that he needs for the body to process, that probably be his last go-to source. So number 4 is, can you solely rely on protein powder for all your protein needs? Except for the case of my father-in-law. While protein powder has supplement in your diet, relying solely on them is not advisable. A report by the World Health Organization emphasized that importance of a balanced diet. Whole food provide essential nutrient and bioactive compounds that protein powder lack. Protein powder often contains amino acids, which is like tiny building blocks that help your muscle grow faster. Think of them like Lego pieces that your body uses to build and repair itself. However, whole food like chicken, fish, beans also provide extra amino acids along with a lot of different types of vitamins, minerals, fibers, which are very crucial for overall health buildup. Some gym rats might drink protein shakes all day long, thinking it's the fastest way to bulk up. If they only consume protein powder, they miss out on other important nutrients that help their body function well. It's like trying to build a Lego castle with just one type of block and ignoring all other pieces that make it stronger or more colorful. While protein powder can be helpful additional to your diet, it is very important to eat a variety of food. Number 5, this is for the pretty ladies. Can protein powder really help your skin and anti-age? Research by ProChannel in Nutrients shows that collagen protein supplement can improve skin elasticity and hydration, which might help reduce wrinkles. Thinking of collagen as a special glue that keeps your skin puff and smooth. As we age, especially after hitting 25, your body starts to making less collagen, so the skin can start to sag and wrinkle. Protein is like the building blocks for your body, helping to fix and make new skin cells more active. One that is rich in amino acids. It can help keep your skin healthy and fight aging. Number 6, are you confused about when should I take the protein powder? Is it first thing in the morning, after my gym, or before bed? I sometimes get so confused. Do you know when is the best time for your protein powder? While many people like to take protein powder right after the exercise, scientists Aragon and Schockenfeld found that total amount of protein you eat in a day is more important than exactly when you eat it. Having protein within few hours after workout can help your muscle fuse better and grow faster and recover faster. A good friend of mine named Susan, and she's a morning person. She wakes up early and goes to gym. For her ideal time, it will be after her workout to replace her breakfast. Now, in another case, my recent hire, a new girl named Lily, who's young, she's only 25. She goes to exercise afterwards in the evening. Her time is more after work. What she do is she skip dinner and replace the dinner with the protein powder. I also advise at least give 2 to 3 hours gap between your shake and bedtime. You know, it's still sugar. In both cases, whether you're Susan or Lily, it's important to remember that getting enough protein throughout the whole day is the key. So enjoy your protein powder when it fits the best into your routine. Now here is the personal choice of my protein shake schedule that might fit for you. Choose like a third-party certified protein powders. There's label like NSF certified, Informed Sport, or USP verified. Those are a good starting point. Organic is another thing. Avoid products like unnecessarily filter or artificial sweetener. Look for the words non-GMO, certified, organic, and cleaner ingredient. Buy it when the label mentions short ingredient list. Pea protein, cocoa powder, stevia, clean. 20 to 30 grams of protein per serving, ideal for most of the people. So at the end of the day, protein powder aren't magic. They only work if you use them in the right way. Listen to your own body. You won't know unless you track it and monitor it. I trace my data through my app I built for myself. Over time, you see the patterns. What works, what doesn't, and what just making the hype. Your body's already keeping the score for you. You just have to pay attention. Do you take photos? Do you mark it down? Let me know in the comment. Bye!